Today I'm going to show you how to create dropshipping UGC ads using only AI, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create AI UGC model, how to create a script using ChatGPT, and how to put it all together in CapCut, guys. Okay, if that sounds good, let's go ahead and dive into it right away. And guys, you already know, as always, there will be available a reference guide below the video, so grab that link. It's 100% free, guys, so you can use it as a reference, and I will try to include everything and all the links that we're going to be covering today in that guide, guys. So go ahead, grab that link and download it for 100% free. Cool, guys, so today we're going to be essentially creating an ad for this cool little fan here because it's summer season, at least here in Canada, guys. Okay, it's pretty hot. So this is a really cool product, and I've seen it going around TikTok for quite a bit, and it's kind of a seasonal product. It comes and goes, especially during summer, which makes sense, guys. And it's pretty cool because it has LED lights, and all you need is really just water and ice, and essentially you're gonna have a portable AC, guys. Okay, so really cool little gadget. Okay, guys, and the margins are good. It's only $8, okay, and people are selling it for around $100, guys. It's pretty good. But anyways, we're gonna be focusing mainly on creating a UGC ad for this product right here, guys. Okay, I downloaded some b-rolls from web, guys, so I'm gonna be cutting that up and using that alongside with our AI. Okay, guys, AI avatar, guys. Okay, so first thing I need, essentially, I need AI avatar, and for that I'm gonna be using Debutify AI because it's really the easiest one, and it's fairly cheap price comparing with something like Arcades or Make UGC, guys. Okay, and you get this amount of credits to start A/B testing your UGC AI ads. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go with Debutify AI. Go ahead and check them out, guys. They have a generous trial, guys. So now that I have the platform where I'm going to be generating my AI model, guys, now I need a script, guys, okay? And I'm going to keep it super short, okay? I don't want my TikTok ad to be more than 20 seconds. I want it to be really down to the point, punchy, and I don't want it to exceed more than 20 seconds because attention span on TikTok is extremely low. And even TikTok themselves, they recommend ads up to 15 seconds max for the best engagement, okay? So let's go ahead and create a script first. So the first thing I need to give ChatGPT some data, and I'm just going to go back to AliExpress, and I'm going to essentially pull all of this description, okay, except for the technical part. I don't need that, okay, so I'll take this, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a script for us. So essentially, I asked ChatGPT create AI script for UGC TikTok ads, max 20 seconds for product below, use simple language, emotional selling, and end with CTA, okay? As well, suggest product title. It should be short and easy to remember, and then we essentially dump all the AliExpress product data, okay? And here is the script. I just asked it to redo it without any emojis because we're gonna be copy pasting that into the AI platform, okay? And this is pretty cool and very straightforward, guys. Okay, that's exactly what I want. I asked ChatGPT to use more of emotional selling rather than selling futures because that converts better, guys. So essentially, this is really good. And I'm just showing you guys as an example how to build the entire thing, guys. I'm not focusing on the quality of the content. Again, guys, if you want me to drop a separate course on a content and how to write a persuasive content that sells, let me know down in the comments, guys, and I'll drop a separate course on that. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to take all of this. The only thing, again, ChatGPT added some formatting. I don't want that. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to remove all the brackets and all that stuff, guys, because I don't want to do anything manually. Cool, guys. So now that we grabbed our script from ChatGPT, guys, now we're gonna essentially create a UGC model. Okay, so I want a avatar video. Okay, I'm gonna click on create now, guys. Okay, I'm gonna select a character that is more relatable. I will select a girl because girls usually convert better, okay, than guys, depending on the product. If it's a gym supplement or whatever, sure, but in general, female actors do convert better than the dudes, okay. So let me just choose, so the air fan, that's more of a Gen Z product, so you're looking for somebody a little bit on the younger side. Well, not a senior, okay. See selfie, presenter, industry, indoor, or maybe, well, let's do both indoor and outdoor, okay. Let's try to choose something. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one, area, because I like, you know, the moves and everything. They're very dynamic. So let me just copy paste this one. Okay, again, it imported the scenes and everything. So I'll just remove all of this. I don't need the brackets and I don't need the voiceovers. Okay, And let's see, and I don't need this part either. Okay, I don't want the curly, the bracket here, and the final scene, I don't want it either. So I just want this. So the script is super simple and short. That's exactly what I wanted, because I want it to be between 15 to 20 seconds. That's essentially all I want. So let me just make sure we don't have any typos or anything. I don't want this out of here. Okay, cool. So let's check the voices.
Summer's here, and then I found this 3-in-1 humidifier. I just add ice, whole area fast. It's quiet, energy.
That's cool. I just wanted to add a bit more stability. When you add stability, then you just, it becomes a bit more dynamic, and I want it to be a little bit faster, something here. Okay, and in clarity, I want it to be around 80%. Okay, let's try that.
Here, and I'm seriously overheating. Then I found this 3-in-1 fan.
Okay, that's too fast.
Add ice, and it cools the whole area fast. It's quiet and helps me sleep better at night. Cool. Grab your cool link in bio.
Okay, I'll just do 1.2. Let's see how that sounds. 1.2 should be just about right, I think. Let's just wait for it.
Here, and I'm serious. Then I found this 3-in-1 humidifier. I just add ice area fast. It's quiet and helps me sleep better at night. Grab your cool link in bio.
Cool. So a little bit too fast, so it just doesn't feel natural. Let me just 1.1. I think that should sweet spot.
Then I found this 3-in-1 humidifier. Just add ice.
Yeah, that's perfect, guys. So let's go with that. And now it's just going to generate the avatar and everything. So that was pretty fast because it's pretty short. So what do we have? Yeah, that's perfect. Around 12, 14, 15 seconds. That's perfect.
Summer's here, and I'm serious.
Okay, guys, so you're going to see a lot of, you're going to see a bit of delay. That's normal. It's going to be rendered properly, and the delay will be eventually gone. So I don't want captions because I'm going to be adding captions from CapCut, guys. Okay, so I don't want the captions at all. Okay, because we'll add those manually. And cool. So now we can just export the entire thing, guys. Render, and we're gonna render the video, guys. Okay, cool. So you get about 2 or 1 videos as a credit when you are in a trial, guys. So just pretty generous to give it a try and see how that works, guys. Okay, so now let's give it a moment, and then I'll get back to you in a sec. Cool, guys. So we have that. Let me just download the video. Okay. Let me just open it up, guys, and bring it to my screen.
Then I found this humidifier and just add ice.
Okay, so here it is.
Humidifier and just add ice.
Cool, guys. So the sync is pretty good, guys. As you guys see, the audio synced with the avatar. That's good. And again, there is a watermark because I am using their trial, guys. But in your case, if you like the app, guys, go ahead and subscribe, guys, and use that for your AI UGCs. I'm showing you guys the how to do it and how to put it all together, guys. So you will need to discover which UGC AI platform you want. There's Creatify, there's Make UGC, or there's Arcades, guys. So explore all 3 of those and see which one really fits what you are looking for to achieve for your product or for your brand, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to put it all together. So now I'm going to go to CapCut. Okay, I do have the CapCut Pro because I use that a lot, guys. I do suggest highly to upgrade to Pro version because it has way more tools and templates. So once you are in CapCut, just select the 9:16 or portrait ratio. Okay, and now we're gonna upload all of our content. Okay, so the first one I want is this one. Okay, and then what I want to upload the B-rolls. I think I put it here. Yeah, fan B-rolls right here. So I'll upload these 3. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So usually for physical products like that, guys, I like to remove the background. Okay, I like to remove the backgrounds of the avatar. Okay, because we're gonna be overlaying that over the B-rolls. Okay. Cool, guys, so we have that removed. Now let's just make it a little bit smaller, something like this, guys. And now let's start working on our B-roll videos, guys, okay? So let me just drag this right here. Okay, and what I want to disable the music from there. Cool, guys, so we're gonna have something play that.
Then I found this, just add
cool.
ice.
Okay, so when she says ice, I want to actually show ice dropping into the thing. So we're gonna cut it up a little bit. So I'm gonna move here, something like this.
Humidifier and just add ice.
So she says, I just add ice right here.
I just add ice.
Cool.
Grab your link in bio.
When she says summer's here, I think I have a B-roll that shows the this unit on the outside. This is actually a cool. This is a good B-roll to zoom out. Let's do this. CTA, something like this. it a little bit.
Link in bio.
So grab your coolmate. This is so small, guys. Oh my god, it's ridiculous. Okay, there you go. We need to move it a little bit more. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Jesus. Cool, guys. Okay, so that's looking better. Let's check it out.
Debutify and just add ice.
And make her a little bit better and just here. Okay, and then we're gonna add caption to tab. Or in the middle maybe, yeah, something like that. Cool. Let's see for the b-rolls, what else we have. So I have this little cool b-roll for CTA, okay? This one here, so it kind of shows reviews and there's a CTA order now, which is exactly what we need. And we're just gonna push it down to the end somewhere here. So link in bio, so we'll replace that part. Link in bio, okay? So push it down here, a little bit more, like this. Okay, oh, perfect.
Link in bio.
Okay guys, cool, let's check it out from the beginning.
Then I found this.
Cool guys, so we have pretty much everything we need and it's super short down to that point. Okay, really good for the engagement overall. So the next thing I want to do, I want to add captions. Okay, so let's do that. I'll do auto captions because it's English. It should be totally cool. Let's give it a moment. Cool guys, so we have captions,
Then I found this.
but they're just extremely boring and not really. They're pretty ugly. And I have this one here. I guess it's a bug.
Bio.
Cool.
Here.
So let's play around with the design, guys, a little bit. So let me just grab all of these ones. Okay, and let's do the design. Okay, so we have a couple options here.
Then I found this.
With the colors, let's see the options. So it's kind of a blue.
Debutify.
So no, this cheesy. I think this one could work maybe. Let's see other options. Or maybe we'll just do something classic one, something like this. Yeah, that's actually pretty clean. And I'll just put it somewhere here. I just need to remember that there is a header section on TikTok somewhere around here. So I'll just put it somewhere like this. Okay.
Just add ice. Link in bio.
Cool guys, so that works a little better. Let me just check it out with the black color. I think black one also could be good because here at the end, when we have the CTA, okay, it kind of blends with the whole thing. What I want to check as well, I see there's a bit of a, okay, no, that's good. Cool. So yeah, black one I think works better. Okay guys, let's check it out from the beginning.
Then I found this humidifier.
Cool guys, so the last thing that's missing, we just want to add some background music, okay? Cool, so we're just gonna put some hip-hop music in the background. This is good, it's about 15 seconds, same as our video, that's perfect. So let's add that in and let's drop it in because this way at least it's gonna finish around the same time as video, so the cut won't be too abrupt, guys. Cool, so we have that. And let's just put the music a little bit down, guys, okay? So it just have to be literally a background music.
Just add ice. Link in bio.
I guess that's good, like -15, that works good.
Grab your humidifier and just add ice.
Cool guys, yeah, that's about it and we are done. It took us about 20 minutes, guys. So obviously you can spend much more time and details to the ad, and you can get a bunch of b-rolls from TikTok or YouTube, guys, as long as you're not showing people's faces, okay? You can go ahead and cut those up and use in your b-rolls, guys, okay? Even if you're using faces, there's a lot of options to actually face swap people's faces and create a brand new AI model. Okay, there's a lot of options to that, guys. So you need to create your own b-roll. I mean, if you want to go really the very proper way, there's a lot of b-rolls on Canva, especially for beauty products. But again, for products like that, guys, you will have a lot of videos on TikTok. You can just get them up on, or even check on the suppliers page, guys. Often they're gonna have a lot of lifestyle videos. You can just cut them up, guys, and use them for your b-rolls. And you can download TikTok videos without any watermarks. You can use something like TikTok, I believe TikTok, what was it called? TikTok downloader. Okay, you can just copy paste the link in here and download the TikTok video and cut it up and use it for your b-rolls, guys. Okay. And guys, that's literally how you can create a UGC AI ad for your dropship product in like 20 minutes, guys. Again, this is really a fast way. I just wanted to show you guys how you can do it. But again, you're going to spend a bit more time. There's different ways you can do it much more proper and much more cleaner, guys. But at least now you have an idea how to do it and which tools to use, guys, and how to get b-rolls from TikTok, for example, guys, okay, and how exactly to do the scripts, guys. And guys, I will be dropping all the prompts and all the tools I use today in the description box below the video, guys, so you can start A/B testing your AI ads right away, guys, okay? And let me know down in the comments what you guys think, guys, what you think about Debutify and in general UGC AI ads, guys. I would love to hear your feedback, guys, and if you did enjoy the content, like and subscribe, guys, and I'm gonna see you next time.